Hey, what's going on, everybody? We're on an exciting road trip today, headed out to Breezy Hill. We're going to be working on our Screen Innovations Zen Outdoor Shade project today, so stick around and check out this video. So we're on deck. It's hot. It's already there, but you know what? Ain't nothing cooler than this day. We got 3 shades that are going to go up here. One on these outside areas, and you can see behind me that small section on the backside. So at the end of the day, this patio, if you can see behind me, will be completely enclosed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we're here with our awesome clients and we're showcasing what we've done today, and we finished up 3 shades, and I'm gonna go on this side over here so we can see them all. Independent control for 1, 2, 3, or all 4 of them can go up simultaneously. So I'm gonna get over here so you can see it. Go ahead and hit it, Miguel. That's amazing. Big shout out to Miguel Silva right here. Solid work today, brother. Appreciate your help, man. And say hello to the Nortons back there. Are y'all happy? Yay, love it. So if y'all have any questions on exterior shades, give us a call. Let us know what we can do to help. And a big shout out to our clients, the Nortons. We appreciate you. Thanks for trusting in us.